Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the airport code format in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and at the time section look for the airport code format button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the options that you can choose from, and you will find a little description on them as well. So just click on the one that you want to use, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.